Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
I, Arpit Garg.
And I, Aditya.
We are from 9th standard and we study in Ramjas International School. Today we'll be demonstrating an activity on buoyancy. So firstly, my friend Aditya will telling what is buoyancy and what are the types of it.
Buoyancy. It is the ability of an object to float or rise to the surface in a fluid. Buoyancy depends on the density of the fluid and density of the object and the upward buoyant force acting on it. So basically there are three different types of buoyancy. First, we have negative buoyancy. In this, the density of the object is more than the density of the fluid, causing it to sink into it. Essentially, the weight of the object is more than the upward buoyant force acting on it. Example, a rock in a water. Second, we have positive buoyancy. In this, the density of the fluid is more than the density of the object, causing it to float on it. The weight of the object is less than the upward buoyant force acting on it. Example, a balloon in a water. Third and last, we have neutral buoyancy. In this, object stays suspended on the fluid without sinking and floating because the density of the object equals to the density of the fluid, creating a balance between the weight and the upward buoyant force acting on it. Example, a diver in a water.
Now as we continue with the activity, so the materials required for the activity are a clay board, a clay ball and a lump of clay. So firstly, we will be putting the lump of clay in the water and seeing if it floats or if it sinks. As we can see, the lump of clay sinks in the water. And now let's see about the ball. Will it float or will it sink? The clay ball also sinks. Now finally, we'll see about the boat. As we can see, the boat floats. So after demonstrating this activity, we will be seeing that how does a boat floats and what is the science behind it. So when a lump of clay is placed in water, it sinks. But when the same clay is flattened and shaped like a boat, it floats because its density decreases. The boat weighs less than the maximum volume of water, so it can displace water and move ahead. Also, there's some air spaces present in the boat which helps it to float in the water. Thank you.